up, dudes? We're on my 2017 Zx6r, and we're gonna go cruise around. This road apparently goes pretty far. It's a highway, but it's supposed to get pretty twisty up ahead. So we're just gonna have some fun. Right here is pretty, right by the river. It is also way colder. I'm gonna have to stop, I think, and put my phone in my pocket because I can't tuck all the way in the phone there, and I'm sure you guys can't see very well. The bridge. This is cool. Whoa, that's cool. Here we go. Looks a little more twisty up here. In the summertime. It's a cool tunnel. I wonder what this is for. I think it's time for a wheelie, dudes. I already did one across that bridge, but it wasn't a very good one. Just do one for these workers. They give me the thumbs up. All three of them give me a thumbs up. I don't really know where this road goes. I just saw on the map that it was kind of twisty and looked kind of fun. I do have a point marked like halfway up the road, so I don't know if I want to keep going, stop there, turn around. Looks like there's some fun twisties here now. Oh yeah, I think it starts to get much better here in a second. Ooh, the roads do not get better though. But I'll watch out for sand on the road. Now that I'm stuck behind this guy, I think it's time to pull over. This is really cool though. I dig it. Very fun, dudes. There's a little dirty shoulder. Alright, I'm gonna fix everything and turn it back on. Alright, dudes. Got the phone in my pocket, got that vent closed, feeling much better. Kinda got this down at an angle. Hopefully it doesn't hit my tank on any tight turns, but I think it should be fine. This is beautiful. Side of the road right there, you gotta be careful. it's almost time to turn around, I think. A little bit of moisture on the road, a little bit of sand. This is really cool though. This goes on for a long time, it seems like. Thing's beautiful. Ooh, what is that? That's an RX-7 or an RX-8. RX-7. That thing was sick. That rotary. Looks like these roads slowly getting more and more foresty, slowly getting more snowy, and slowly getting less windy. Cool. It's a cool road. I dig it. Oh, frozen river. The steering gear is like the same, but it keeps changing. Like the road, it keeps opening up, kind of. Know if I'll post this, dudes, because it's not like that exciting, but it's kind of fun just exploring stuff. Wow, can't believe how cold it is over here still. Oh man, nice long straight road. You know what that means. I do have the full suit on, the gloves and boots. So wait a minute. I see black and white up there. It's a Ram. I think we're good. Like, look at that. It's so icy over here still. Oh, I just got service again. My music started playing. Woohoo! Third. Yes, sir. Alright, turning back on once I get back on the road. Alright, dudes. Back out here, gonna head back. Do you have to be a little bit cautious because we did see that Ranger. I have no idea where he went. I don't know if he even cares. I'm ripping on this road, nor that he can catch me, but we're gonna be respectful. However, no, I'm gonna pass this guy. I was gonna say I'm gonna do a wheelie, but I'm gonna pass this guy before it gets twisty again. words at me. More gooses. Beautiful river for a beautiful wheelie. Uh-oh. I got gas leaking out of my cap. Does that when I 12 o'clock. Oh, look at that sick jump. What in the world is that for? For like hang gliding or something? That's literally just a jump off a lip off the cliff into the lake. That is awesome. I gotta find a TTR 125 or something. Strap a parachute on me. Just send it. Right? That's like, how is that allowed? It's out right here too. How is that allowed? It's just a ramp off a cliff and they're all over. There's gotta be a reason. Weird. How weird. I didn't notice that on the way up. It's kind of rad. I like it. And it gets some drunk dude just sending it on his dirt bike though. Man. Very cool. It's like I'm riding a horse. How fun. That was a fun ride, dudes. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope I edited it into something enjoyable to watch. I mean, it's something that you guys like. Maybe I will just post it raw. Well, somewhat raw. I'll definitely cut it up, but just because it's kind of a long ride. Me just riding fast on some twisties, not talking too much. Anyways, if you guys enjoy videos like that, let me know. I'll definitely make more. Love you dudes. Thanks for watching. Later.